Okay, so this one smells so good. Alright. So good! First off we have... I don't even remember ordering this! Kawaii squishy, but it's so cute. I've definitely seen it on the site. It's a little cat and a banana, and I'm so sorry that I don't have all the names because I've been super stressed out with uni work at the moment. The next time we'll definitely try to be better with that. Just gonna open this one up. This one is so cute. This one doesn't have, I can't put my finger on a specific smell, but it's definitely sweet. And it's so soft. Look, so soft, so cute. Oh, I am shook. And one big squish. Okay, next in my big package of joy, we have another cute little like Yumi bear, I believe. Little just circle squishy, which I also keep in the packaging. We have a hamster taiyaki by Lele. So cute. I love hamsters, which is why I had to get this and taiyaki. We don't have hamsters in Australia, but we have guineas, which are kind of the same. And I love taiyaki because it's actually from one of my favourite animes called Canon, which, you know, the girl loves taiyaki. So cute, little hamster. Oh, I wish this would focus better. This one is the light pink one. I believe it comes in light pink and light blue. And this is just adorable, and it's so soft! Oh, I can't believe how soft this is! It's like squishing like a ball of gum, or I can't even explain it. It is one of the softest squishies I've ever touched. This has got to be one of my favorites. So cute, so squishy. One of my favorites up with this one, so soft! I think this one's even softer. That's so crazy. It kind of smells like cinnamon donuts. Like it's really got that bakery smell to it. Amazing. Okay. What's next? Okay, so we have, this is also taiyaki. It's not a hamster taiyaki. I don't exactly remember which this is branded to. It's so soft though. So soft. I love the cute little blue ribbon and the little dog tie. It's so cute. All of these are just so cute. So cute. Oh, this one even comes in like a little taiyaki box. See, like this. It smells so good. See, and you can hold your fish taiyaki in this box. It is adorable. So adorable. It even has a little do not eat back here. So cute. It smells like blueberries. It's so good. And ready? So soft. The detail is amazing. One big squish. Also, all of these are just so slow rising. I can't believe it. Okay. Oh, almost. Next we have, so many cute little Yumi little squishies. Okay, this is the Punimaru little orange. I really wanted a jumbo one, but I just couldn't find them anywhere. With a cute little Punimaru. Comes in such cute wrapping, like, I believe it's supposed to imitate real orange wrapping, which is so cute! And then, just taking it out of its little case, which you probably can't see because the lighting is terrible. But here we have it. I totally want cat ears that I was going to wear for this video, but I have no idea where they are because I'm in the middle of designing a little cute study. Okay. Oh, it smells so much like oranges! Look at the detail, it even has tiny little seeds. So soft. I can't believe how much it smells like oranges. So amazing. We've even got like the tiny little cute Penny Moose little guy there. So cute. Okay, next up! Ooh. It's getting super hot in here. Why am I wearing a sweater? And why is my camera doing this to me? I don't know. Okay, so this is a, oh my gosh, I've completely forgotten the name. It's Cafe de something, and like they have the most amazing squishies. Okay, so this is the Double de Canpagne. I have no idea, I'm so sorry, I can't pronounce anything. From Cafe de, I have no idea. But it's Mouche Tens Eye Bloom, actually. So I completely take back everything I said about the cafe one. But so sticky! Oh, look at that! So slow rising and so squishy. Amazing! This is amazing. It looks so realistic too. Okay, I reckon it's just about time to take it out of the package! Resealable? It is! Okay. I have to try and hold up everything I'm doing in front of the camera, but it's very hard because I'm just sort of kneeling on a couch. Oh, it's still rising from when I squished it in the package. It is so soft. You wouldn't believe how soft it is. It smells like freshly baked bread. This is amazing. So soft. Such a beautiful color too. Oh man, this is gonna take forever to rise. I'm going to start opening up another squishy and then we can totally come back to this. From my squishy bag. I'm a bit far over to the right for some reason. Oh. Okay. Oh, and we have the blue hamster taiyaki, like the pink one, but this one is of course pastel blue. So soft. Just like, here it is. Smells like cinnamon. And as you can see, this is still rising. Because this is just like the pastel pink one, I might just leave this one in the package. Look at the detail. Still slowly rising. Okay. And another one from the package. You know how I got this one just before? It's a pink version. It's again not super squishy. And I'll also leave this one in the package since we have this one, which is just a different colour. What is next in the Squishies package? And we have another bread loaf, which is a lot like this one, which is still rising. Isn't that crazy? It's been rising for like so long. I can't believe it's still rising. Anyway, it's the same sort of brand, if you can see that. And it's in the same range, but obviously this is like a round loaf. And this is one of those like oval loaves. Again, a moosh times eye blue. Still rising! That's so crazy! Just fish in the package. Alright. They kind of smell the same. This one smells more like sesame seeds, which it really reminds me of this one's still kind of rising, of like the real sort of like loaf. And it's so soft. You guys wouldn't believe how soft it is. I've seen so many squishy videos and I'm so shocked to see it in real life because it's so much softer than even the videos make it look. Look at that. Oh, it's so soft. It looks like real bread. And it smells like real bread. It is crazy. I am so shook. And this one is almost finished rising. Almost. Still got a little bit to go. I can't believe how slow rising it is. That's amazing. Oh, these two have definitely amazed me. Okay. Next. Oh, we have the Puni Maru Little Strawberry. I've always wanted one of these pearl ones in like one of the jumbo ones, but it's so hard to find one. Okay. I did, however, manage to get a non-pearl jumbo strawberry, which will be up next. With a cute little keychain. And here we go. So pretty. Such a pretty colour. Very slow rising and very soft, and it's so pretty. One big squish. It smells like strawberry. It's a little sort of like an artificial strawberry, but definitely very delicious. Okay, we have now the jumbo one. This is a super jumbo strawberry from Puni Maru. Look at that beautiful vibrancy of the colour. Cool big tag. It's not as big as I first imagined it to be. Oh, cute little gold sticker for you with a little Puni Maru monkey. It's a bit hard to see. So cute. It's got like a little phone case. Phone chop is a little strawberry. So cute. Like I said, it is a little bit smaller than what I first thought it would be, but it is definitely so pretty and so soft. This one has less of a scent than the smaller one, I must admit. Still has a slight scent. It's definitely squishier. I hope you have to get a jumbo pearl one day. So soft. Amazing! Ah! Okay. I recently saw these and they're cute little cats. No. By Vampo! And give it a squish. First impression is it looks pretty cute. Alright, does it have a smell? This one doesn't really have a strong smell. Focus. Very cute. Very soft. One big squish. I'm so sorry for such bad lighting. Hopefully when I've made and painted up my desk in my study and stuff, it'll be a much better setup, but I was just too excited to not do this video anymore because I have so many packages. I've been waiting for this forever. And we have a cute little mini pearl strawberry. Again, kind of just like this one. I'm not going to open it just because it is the same as this, but you can see it through the back. So cute. In this package is the last little, it's a Heeyyyyy bear cone. Oh, I almost just had a heart attack because I thought this whole thing wasn't recording. Thank gosh. Little Heeyyyyy bear. So cute. It is very small though. Are we going to focus? Give it a squish. Oh, so soft, so slow rising. I can't put my finger on what it smells like, but it definitely has a scent. Very cute. Okay, another package. This one is